If you need to crop an image in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to crop an image, tighten up your diagram layout, and clean up visuals without needing any extra tools. This is a simple but really useful skill, especially when you want your flowcharts, mockups, or diagrams to look more polished and professional. And if you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your Lucidchart document and find the image you want to crop. Once you've located it on the canvas, double-click the image. That's the key action that opens crop mode and reveals the cropping boundaries around the image. If you don't see the crop handles right away, make sure the image itself is selected and not another element on the page. Now that crop mode is active, look for the blue and purple handles around the edges of the image. These side handles and quarter points are what you'll use to adjust the visible area. Click and drag them inward to hide any parts of the image you don't want showing. This is especially useful if the picture has extra white space, an awkward background, or details that distract from the rest of your diagram. Take your time here and crop it until the image fits your layout nicely. If you want a more precise crop, you can adjust each side individually. Drag the left, right, top or bottom edges to frame the exact section you want to keep. Lucidchart makes this easy because you can visually see the crop area change as you move the handles. The goal is to keep only the important part of the image visible while trimming away everything unnecessary. Once you're happy with the crop, you need to save it. To finalize the change, press Enter on your keyboard. You can also double-click anywhere on the empty canvas to confirm the crop and exit crop mode. After that, the image will stay cropped inside your diagram, exactly the way you set it. If you accidentally crop the image too much, or decide you don't want the change, don't worry, you can cancel the crop while you're still in crop mode by pressing the Escape key. That instantly takes you back without applying the changes, which is great if you're experimenting or trying to get the framing just right. And that's all it takes to crop an image in Lucidchart. Just double-click the image, adjust the handles and press Enter to save. It's quick, easy, and perfect for keeping your diagrams clean and visually focused. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.